Hi, Jim. I hope it's okay that I'm just sending you a video to respond to your questions about the internship. So, yes, you're right. Right now, these are the internship sections that are still on the enrollment report for summer 2020. Um, the situation is, I think we're getting nearer a final decision on what's going to run in the summer. And Ed has agreed to instruct, and I know that's maybe not his choice, but he's communicated with me that he's instructing these courses this summer. But it doesn't look like we're going to be running the 280. It looks like we're going to be running this class, the practicum. Ed and I met with Deb last week when we got word from Falcon Tech that it looked like IBM was going to cancel the internships for the summer. One day it was cancellation. The next day it was, oh, we're going to offer a virtual internship. And right now it looks like the virtual internship will not happen either. And what IBM is now preferring is that they run the internship a year from now. And of course, that's not something that Falcon Tech is completely in agreement with because they want students to complete the academic pathway. So it looks like right now that the practicum is going to run. But I haven't made any changes because I have a meeting with Greg either Monday or Tuesday of next week to make final decisions. But this is what we discussed at today's partner meeting. Let me find it. Give me 1 second. Right here. So Falcon Tech approves the course substitution of the practicum. Tracy Nick said at my insistence that IBM still be involved in some way this summer, that they should be able to offer some kind of wraparound experience for the students. I'm guessing, she didn't say specifically, but I'm guessing like guest speakers from IBM would come in and talk to the students about certain workplace skills, habits. Ed and Deb and I talked when we chose the practicum as the substitute course about the possibility of trying to model the projects that the students who went through the first year of internships did. Ed and I were both involved in attendance at the end of the year when the seniors were giving their presentations on those, so we could model some projects based on that for the practicum. It doesn't appear that there's going to be any kind of internship experience for the students this summer. So it looks like there are going to be some options offered to the students. Option one being that they complete the CSC 288 practicum course so that they're on track for graduation and then be offered an internship position next summer 2021. I think we all kind of anticipate that most of the students would kind of walk away from that experience because they'll move on after graduation, but there might be some who decide to take that option and work for the summer and have a resume builder and make some money in the process. Another option is that students can choose to take the internship course, the CSC 280 next summer, along with the internship that should be running at IBM next summer. So that's kind of where we left the discussion today. I know that the CSC 280 needs to be taken off the books, but I'm waiting again for a couple of reasons. Not only because the conversation isn't concluded, but also because I just started with Courtney Gray for a new instructional coordinator. And so I'm going to be giving her some of these tasks to do so that she's learning the job as the semester's winding down. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to have a phone conversation with you so that you can give me your input. And I again apologize for not including you and copying you on some of these emails. Things have just been happening. I know you know this already, but things have just been happening so quickly. We're having to make decisions about things kind of at a moment's notice as we realize, oh, this is being impacted now. And so didn't mean to exclude you, but kind of just met with Ed and Deb quickly too, as I was anticipating that we might need a substitute course for this summer. Totally want to hear your feedback. Please feel free to give me a call at my cell. I think you have it already, but I'll include it in the email too. It's 570-236-5583. And I'm happy to chat anytime you need to about this. If you would like to attend the meeting between the Falcon Tech team and Front Range and IBM next week, let me know that as well, and then I'll make sure that you're on the invite. And so you can be there to give us some guidance on what the practical might look like if that's a course that you also approve of. Take care. Thanks, Jim.